Muffins, welcome back and welcome to Fun World of Ya. So today we are going to make easy cheesy muffins. So we already cracked the eggs and now we're going to put in some pepper. Now we're going to put in salt. Now I'm gonna stir. I'm just gonna pour it in. Gonna pour it in just halfway. That's it now. Now that is done. Now for the fun part with the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna put some here now. I'm gonna put in 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put in some cheese. I'm gonna eat 2 more. It's because it's my favorite. Yummy mushroom. I mean cheese. Okay, let me do the mushroom first. Let's put some mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom is going in. Mushroom is going in. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in. Some cheese. Some more. Now I'm gonna put in some tomato. Okay, now I need to add a little bit more. Just take some more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Now for the last step, I'm going to put in some cheese. Okay, now let's take some cheese. Now for the last step, we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I can't wait to taste when it's done. Ta-da! And that is muffin ready. Now let's taste. Delicious. Bye kids, don't forget to subscribe on the red button below. Bye!